everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Here I have a bargain bead box for September of 2023. And I'm so excited to unbox this with you. It's called Majesties Collection. Let me see. It says, the natural beauty of fancy jasper is in our star this month, showing off a variety of earthy mountain hues. This gemstone variety varies widely in color, so every strand and focal is unique. Accents include sparkling crystals, handmade porcelain rounds, and top quality stainless steel findings. Adventure awaits. So I'm excited. Let's see. Oh, okay. Seeing purple. Not sure if the beads are purple. I see a little bit of pink. Oh, okay, so we're getting Jasper. Ooh. Oh, Paperclip Chain. Oh, this is cool. Stainless steel Carabiner Clasp. Rondo Purple Opaque. Oh, these are some pretty colors. Yeah. Let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with the 30mm Fancy Jasper Donut Pendant. Yeah, I don't know if this happened to anybody else. Look how pretty this is. Make sure my light is good. This is so pretty. I have a really cool way of beading through that. I'll probably do that with this to show you guys this. But it's gorgeous. Okay, let me kind of put it in the white so you can see it. It's very pretty. I received 2 of these stainless steel cut mountain pendants. And then I got some bead caps, but I don't see them on the list. So we shall see. Okay, number 2 is 2 pieces of 18mm Fancy Jasper Go-Go donuts. These are really cute. I like these. It'd be very pretty with the pendant. You could do like a necklace and earrings. And next is 6mm Fancy Jasper round beads, 15 inches. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at the. You do get a really good deal with this box. I mean, you could make yourself a double bracelet with these. Look how pretty they are. Love all the different colors and variations and textures that go into that. Next, let me see. Next is the 8mm Fancy Jasper faceted round beads, 7 inches. Love faceted beads. Look at that. Look at the sparkle from the way they're cut. Very pretty. I like that. I like the greens like this with the lilac purple. I think it's a really pretty combo. Next is 8mm Fancy Jasper matte round beads, 7 inches. So this is pretty. It's just another version of the Jasper. So we got just regular Jasper, faceted Jasper, and matte Jasper. We got all different kinds. Everything your heart desires as far as Jasper. Next is, oh, we got nuggets too. Fancy Jasper Tumbled nugget beads. Approximately 5 inches. Oh, that's really pretty. Yeah, I love the little bit of the lilac in there. It goes well with these beads. Look at that. This one bead right there goes with those. So pretty. Okay, and next is 10mm lava stone electroplated beads in rainbow iris, 12 pieces. These are cool. Look at that, look at all the texture in these. These are so cool. And then when you get like, you can see that sparkle in there. Sometimes you'll get one that's like a little more chipped, and I'm not seeing any in these, and you get like, you see that right there? As you move that, you get that little bit of that sparkle that comes out of there. Feels like chalk. That's what they remind me of. They remind me of like chalk. And next is 15 by 19mm stainless steel laser cut mountain links. So these are cool. They're sturdy too. Can have an earthy box. Next is 27.5 times 26mm stainless steel laser cut mountain pendant. Yeah, and this is the one that I got 2 of. So maybe I'll use them to make earrings since I got 2. Yes, that's really cool. So sparkly. Okay, and next, is 4 pieces of 12.5mm round mountain charms. These are kind of cool. So that's one side, and then that's the other side. That's really cool. They're definitely well made. Okay, so next is 29 by 12mm stainless steel Carabiner Clasp. I might not be doing that one right. I think, yeah, you turn this, and then you can hook something onto it, and then I don't know if I've ever gotten this in any of the boxes before that I can remember. That's really cool. Okay, next is 2 pieces of 17 by 5mm laser cut stainless steel compass charms. Okay. Those are cute. Just got to make sure when you use them that you have them the right way, because they have the words, they have everything on the other side too, but then it would be backwards. And next is 12.5 by 4mm stainless steel textured oval jewelry chain, 1 meter. This is pretty. Paperclip chain. This is nice, something different from what we normally get. There's a lot you can do with this. And next is 6 pieces of 12mm glass porcelain round beads in dark orchid. These are pretty. They're bigger too, so you could put them on leather if you wanted to. Oh, this is gorgeous. 8mm glass rondelle beads in opaque purple, 11 inches. Oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna have to let me know down in the comments if any of you got the bead caps as well, because they're not on the thing. Okay, next is 4mm crystal faceted round beads in cadet blue. This is pretty. I love these tones together, you know, like this, and then the green that's in the Jasper, you know, and then there's a little bit of this blue in the Jasper too. You did a good job this month with the colors. And then just this little hint of the orchid. It's really pretty. Okay, next is 4mm crystal Bicone beads and green iris, 13 inches. I wonder if, oh, no, those look blue. Okay, green iris. Now look how pretty these are. Do a little, just a little bracelet like this. I'll call that little sparkle and zazz you'd have in there. So this was this month's box. I'm really happy with this. Very pretty. I'm loving all of the different colors in here. You're gonna have to let me know. 20 pieces of 7mm 6-point bead caps. Did everybody else get these or not? They might have just forgotten them on the list. So let me know. I'm thinking for my favorite, I really like these. These are really pretty. I'm kind of thinking the big purple, the donut, and the where are they at? The faceted Jasper. I think these are my favorite out of there. And the Paperclip Chain too. Very pretty. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go and hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I also have all my social media links below, my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook if you want to follow me on there. And I will leave a link to the bargain bead box below as well if you're interested. Let me know down in the comments, like I said, if you got the bead caps or not. And if you possibly got 2 of these. So, yeah, I look forward to reading your comments and hearing from you. And please like and share and comment on my channel. It really helps with my search engine, and it really helps to promote my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. You have a great day. Bye-bye.